Actually, we have different kinds of Kondura Negosyo products. We really cater to business owners, especially restaurants owners, yung mga nagpa-franchise, because we know na madalas gumagamit sila ng iba't ibang klaseng cooling products like refrigerators, chest freezers, and chillers. So we first have the chillers. We have the Kondura Negosyo No Frost Inverter Chiller. The good thing about this is that this is the only no frost inverter chiller in the market. So,
Pag sinabing inverted chiller, anong kumbaga normal term, anong iba pa tawag sa kanya?
ang ibang tawag sa kanila, beverage cooler, inverter kasi matipid sa kuryente. So, yun ang benefit talaga niya. And the benefit of having a no-frost chiller is that hindi mo na kailangan mag-defrost. Kasi syempre, kapag nagbi-business ka, abala yung pagde-defrost eh. So, with the no-frost chiller, hindi mo na talaga kailangan mag-defrost. Ang maganda din sa chiller namin, meron siyang malaking drain pan sa ilalim na nag-auto-evaporate na yung water. So, it's really under. So, ang maganda dyan, wala ring abala na mag-overflow yung mga water na nade-defrost sa unit. So, talagang wala nang gagawin yung unit owner just to refill yung mga drinks and beverages nila inside. So, yun yon. And then also, maganda dito, meron kaming faster cooling system. As you can see, we have air circulating fan para evenly distributed yung lamig. So at any given time, malamig yung binibenta natin na drinks.
Pwede ba ito pang home use, di ba?
Usually, it's really for business use. Pwede naman for home use if they really have a lot of beverages that they want to store. Yeah, pwede rin. Pero ideally, it's really for business use. Yeah.
So, isa pang beverage siya, hindi ako pwede maglagay ng mga gulay or prutas, kailangan malamig over sa akin.
Actually, may iba't ibang klaseng settings to. Merong settings na mas mahina, so doon pwede kang maglagay ng vegetables. Meron ding settings na ideal for cakes, kasi hindi lang talaga siya for beverage. Kaya ang tawag namin sa kanya chiller, because hindi lang siya talaga for beverage or for drinks. Yes. So yung iba, flowers.
Magkano yung isang set na to?
It depends on the size, no? We have an available product.
Size din ba to?
We have 8 cubic feet, 10 cubic feet, 12 cubic feet, and 14 cubic feet. So we have from 20 plus thousand to 30 plus thousand, depending on the size that you will choose. Pero syempre, depende yun din sa space, no? At saka kung gaano kadami yung isa-store mo. And usually, yun nga, madalas kapag mas malaki yung space na paglalagyan and mas maraming binibenta, they opt for a bigger chiller which is 14 cubic feet.
Another one, ano pa yung ibang Kondura product?
We have Kondura Negosyo Refrigerators. Yes, pang negosyo rin siya. And this one naman, it's ideal for businesses na nangangailangan din ng, aside for a product na pwede silang mag-chill ng drinks, meron ding freezer compartment. So kasi 'di ba yung iba, especially kunwari yung mga stores na meron silang frozen items na sinaserve sa business nila, they opt for something that has a freezer. Tapos kung nagbebenta rin sila ng drinks, ito rin.
Ay, dyan yung freezer dyan.
The freezer is this top part.
Malaki, mas malaki.
Yes. Actually, our product has the biggest freezer size in the market. Yung capacity ng freezer namin is 102 liters. So in fact, if you will put ice cream tubs, yung Selecta na 1.3 liters, kasya dito hanggang 28 tubs of ice cream tubs. Yung 1.3 liters ng Selecta. Sa baba, if you look at this one, this is the fridge compartment. So, ideal to for mga drinks. Kung makikita mo, maraming adjustments ito eh, no?
So,
So,
napaka-adjust niya, parang konting hina lang.
yes, it's an adjustable and tiltable wire shelves. So, kung merong mga drinks na iso-store yung consumers natin, pwede nilang i-tilt yung shelf para hindi mag-fall off or madulas yung mga drinks. So, really, this is a good investment for business kasi protektado yung mga units mo or yung mga drinks na binibenta mo. We also have an exclusive bottle rack. So kung soft drinks yung gusto mong ibenta na like 1.5 liters, you can store it here also.
Magkano yung investment?
This one is around 20 plus thousand.
Yes. And last one.
And then also this is inverter na rin to Inverter na rin siya. So matipid siya sa kuryente. So mga around roughly around 10 to 11 pesos per day. Yun lang yung energy consumption niya.
Paano siya nakakapag-save ng electricity pag inverter?
Yung inverter kasi ang maganda dito, it adjusts to the requirement of the refrigerator. So may time na hindi siya ganun kalakas kumain, no? Especially kung na-achieve na ng refrigerator yung ideal temperature niya sa loob. So yun talaga yung kagandahan sa inverter.
So last one.
Yeah.
Sa freezer, laki na freezer.
Yes. We have Kondura Negosyo inverter chest freezer. The good thing about the product is that it comes in different sizes, depende on how big your business is. So it's available in 3.5 cubic feet, 5, 7, 8, 10, 15 cubic feet, and as big as 18 cubic feet. This one is 7 cubic feet. Yes. So ang maganda sa inverter chest freezer is that it already is inverter, so matipid na siya sa kuryente, and at the same time, it has what we call the 3-in-1 function. So the 3-in-1 function means you can adjust the setting of the freezer depending on your requirement. Pwede mo siyang gawing for chilling. Kunwari, wala ka namang frozen items. Gusto mo, drinks lang yung ilagay mo. So you can choose the chilling function. And then, pwede mo rin gawing freezing. So for freezer compartment, if you wanna store ice creams, or meat, or pwede naman mong gawin yung fast freezing. So the good thing about the fast freezing, kunwari, meron kang bagong stocks, i-refillan mo yung yung chest freezer mo, you can use the fast freezing function para at least mabilis ma-frozen
Control mo pa.
Yes, mabilis mag-frozen yung produkto. And then adjust it to the normal freezing function na lang kapag na-achieve mo na yung freezing, pag frozen na yung food. Yes, that is the control. So makikita mo dyan, may chiller, may freezer,
Oo.
and then there's a
Fast freeze.
fast freeze function.
Button ba siya or
The fast freeze function is a button. So kung kunwari, kakalagay mo lang ng frozen item, you can turn on the button. Pag nakita mo frozen na siya, pwede mo naman siyang i-off.
so naka-fast freeze to kasi
Naka-fast
nakailaw.
freeze, yes. So yan.
So pag fast freeze, kaya ba niyang i-fast freeze yung ice, for example?
Actually,
Or
ang chest
ano lang
freezers is only used for storage.
Storage
Pero kung
lang.
pwede kang mag-store ng ice.
Oo.
Pero kung gagawa ka ng
Hindi
ice,
pwede.
makakabuo siya pero it will take a long time.
Ah.
So we have a different product for it, which is
So,
an upright freezer.
So kung magka-fast freeze ako, anong product yung pwede i-fast freeze? For
Yung
example,
mga meat na kaka-deliver lang para ma-preserve yung freshness,
Ma-preserve
yung
yung
texture,
Oo.
yung kulay, you can use the fast freeze option.
That's a good explain.
Yes. And then it comes with LED light
LED
also and a sliding glass.
Sliding glass.
Not all chest freezers have sliding glass kasi yung sliding glass nakakatulong to. Kunwari, pagbukas mo ng freezer, medyo mainit yung environment, na pre-preserve yung ibang lamig sa loob. Yun ang purpose ng sliding glass. And then we also have a wire basket kung saan for smaller items, kunwari nagbibenta ka ng ice cream, pero meron kang drumsticks. Pag nasa ilalim yung drumsticks, mapipisa yun or madideform. So you can put it in the wire basket. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Ms. Leilani. And kung 7 cubic feet, mga magkano?
This is around 15,000. Roughly around 15,000. 15 to 18,000.
So, yung control niya, for example, can I put beverage, pero mag-freeze pa rin po siya pagka ganun?
If you're going to put beverages, you can choose the chilling function
Chilling function.
para hindi siya maging frozen. Kasi yung temperature ng freezer mag-a-adjust based dun sa requirement ng drinks para hindi siya maging frozen.
So, pwede rin palang mga...
Pwede rin.
Chiller lang siya.
Pwede mo siyang gawing chiller. So, you can adjust it here. So,
Ayun. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Leilani.
you're welcome.